My name is Jamie and I'm going to open a Hoover Impulse vacuum cleaner, and just wanted to do a kind of review of what's in there. Kind of nervous because it was $128 for a handheld vacuum cleaner, which I think is a little bit much. I know there's more expensive ones out there, but for me it's a little bit much. So let's go. Here are the boxes, and there's my cat. Anyways, so I undid the tape. It was pretty taped up. It had a security thing on it, so I emptied and I went to Walmart and got it. I didn't want to wait for Amazon to deliver. It was the same price on Amazon. So when you open it up, it looks like this is the container. Kitty, get down. Everything's in nice little bags for us. I saw a YouTube video where the lady put a vacuum cleaner and held the phone with one hand. I don't think I can do that, but we'll see. So one bag has a little Hoover bag. Ooh, little attachments. I didn't notice that on the box itself, that it came with attachment, so I almost didn't get it and almost went with a Bissell instead, but I'm glad I got this one because it has the little attachments. And then it has, here's a little something extra, 24 hours. Looks like it's a filter. And Holtz vacuum cleaner manual. I don't see the manual unless I want to. This looks like the little motor itself. Oh, already works, I don't know. There we go. Pretty good. Maximum suction. That's okay. Alright. I don't know how that lady did it with one hand. And then this, the little stick. Everything comes in a recyclable bag. It's all about recycling or reusing. On the bottom, it's pretty light. I have a lot of stairs and a lot of wood floors, and that's what I bought. Seems like every time I go around it's dusty everywhere. Just kind of hope it locks in place. It doesn't seem like it has a lock at this point. Okay, here's going to be the trigger part. I'm going to open this pole with one hand and hold a phone. Let's see. Oh. Cheated a little. This is the pole. Good. I'm assuming this goes in here. Like I said, I didn't read the directions. Oh, clicked right in spot. Pretty good for someone that can't even take selfies. And here's the main thing. This is pretty heavy. I mean, it says, I think it said it only weighed a few pounds, but this itself is pretty heavy. I have to do a lot of stairs, 24 stairs, which is not a lot for some people, but if you like me, it just seems like a lot. My husband would say it's not, but and then you put this in here, and click that together. And I'm short, so okay. Whoa, that looks pretty good. It does not click into place, so I don't know how you're supposed to store this thing. That's about it. Double tap trigger for continue. I have an 8-year-old son, and he can't run my big vacuum cleaner because he cannot maneuver it. At least he says he can't. The only thing I'm concerned about is how is this going to stay up without falling. Like that, I guess. So there's that. Looks pretty good. I vacuumed a little. You can see particles in there a little bit. And this must be the charger. Pretty easy. Looks like that's about it. So, as messy as my house is, I should be doing a video. I should vacuum. My husband can stop yelling at me all the time that I don't come out. So there it is. The one thing I already don't like is that it doesn't set up very well. But there it is. It looks pretty good. It looks like the filters, all of that were already put together. The other filter, this must be the attachment where it goes on the wall. Maybe? There's the thing for that. So, it tells you what it is, how it works. The attachments, oh, right here, mounting wall bracket. I'm sure my husband's not gonna love to mount that wall bracket, but maybe he can put it right off the kitchen, because it has to be plugged into charge, so therefore it's gonna have to be in the open. So I think that's it. I do like this little nifty thing. So anyways, that's what I got in the box. And that's my dirty house, but soon to be cleaned by a Hoover. All right, well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks. Bye.